guys, welcome again. Life on wait for perfect weather. If you want success, you show up no matter what. Success builds in silence and discipline and consistency, even when no one is watching. The rain reminds me if nature never stops, why should I? So guys, এই ভিডিওতে আমি শেয়ার করবো আমার ডেইলি রুটিন, যেটা আমি ডেইলি ফলো করি। আমি চেষ্টা করবো যে প্রোডাক্টিভ লাইফ বিল্ড করা। আমার গোল আর বড় গোল পেতে ডিসিপ্লিনে সবার আগেই আসে। So dream big. When you dream big, you work hard, you pay the price. So you can see guys, it's my daily routine. This is Friday, so it's not daily routine, but it's Friday routine. You can see here is spiritual and buraka. There is running, R means running, workout, but breakfast, watching useful skill like that videos and edit videos. I have a 3 YouTube channel right now, a gaming channel and a motivational channel and this channel. So edit videos. Then PN means born ready for Juma because today is Friday. Then come to home, bath lunch, capture videos. Like this time I am capturing the video and then edit video. Then reading means I read some books. These books called not academic books but also mine useful books, but I don't share the book name because I'll share, but not now. I will share that book after 1k subscribers done, then I will share. So study academic subjects like school subject that study. So in means namaz, then dinner, then sleep at 9 p.m. It's my Friday routine. You can write here a habitation like discipline. So after today, tomorrow I will write here a D. So it call will be. So guys, it's my Friday routine. We call our daily routine. Simple but consistent. You will feel simple, no problem. তোমার লাইফে যদি চেঞ্জ আনতে চাইলে ছোট রুটিন দিয়ে স্টার্ট করো। আমি তানভীর বাড়ি, নেক্সট ভিডিওতে দেখা হবে। ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু সাবস্ক্রাইব।